Right guys, so today naman, since I'm busy at work, yes I am busy, uh, oftentimes I actually snack, di ba? Pag madami ginagawa, trabaho, mahilig ka chumicha, mahilig ka maghanap ng something na mangangat-ngat. So, one thing that I've been snacking on a lot lately, which is, in a way, healthy na rin, medyo healthy as compared to, of course, yung mga chips and all that, is this, okay? So, this is Daily Fix Trail Mix. So, iba't ibang flavors to, but this is my favorite, the Cranberry Yogurt Delight. O, di ba? So, you can get this in your normal grocery stores, sa 7-Eleven, ganyan. So, ayun. Okay? Masarap siya, masarap siya. So, let's see my blood sugar right now. Tingnan natin kung ano. Alright, so it's now at 112. Yan, no? 112. So, medyo okay pa tayo. And, ayun. So, goods tayo ngayon. Let's see what happens after 1 hour after I eat. So, guys, this is what it looks like. Alright, so you have cranberries, yogurt, cashew, and raisins and stuff. Okay? So, yan. Parang kaya ko ubusin siyang ganito within 15 minutes. So, yeah. See what happens. Okay, it's been an hour, and to be fair, I did not eat the whole pack, okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang glucose natin ngayon. Medyo okay pa rin siya, actually. Okay, look, it's only 128. Sorry, that's not the one. There, it's 128. Konting-konti lang akit niya. So, panalo, no? So, okay siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede pa akong bumili. Okay? So, it's a healthy alternative besides eating chips or whatnot, diba? So, ayun lang. Alright? See you guys next time.